Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can simply do the retraction calibration in the Elegoo Slicer. So in order to do this, you just want to head over to your Elegoo Slicer, and then you want to click on calibration, and there's going to be the retraction test. So you want to click on it, and we have the ability to select the starting retraction length and the end retraction length, and also the step right here. So in my case, I'm just going to click on OK, and then we just want to send this to our printer by clicking on the slice plate option. And basically by doing this, you will able to eliminate stringing on your filaments. So if you see stringing right here, you can head back over to your slicer. And then of course from here you have to modify the retraction test once more. So let's go ahead and do something like 3 until you get no more stringing on your filaments. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.